The next one in this video is Crimson, which is another online loan app in Nigeria, which of course they can use to borrow money without any difficulties. And this app have generated over 1.4 rating, which is 1,400 reviews on Apple App Store, which means over 1,000 people have actually dropped a review based on their experience and how they feel about this particular app. The overall rating is 4.4, which is quite amazing because the total review is 5.0. You can see right there. So if you scroll down, you also see how much you will have access to borrow on this particular app, which is up to 120,000 naira. So it depends on your credit history, and of course, if you have a good credit history, you can of course have to be able to be eligible to borrow more than just 120,000 naira on this app. And you just have to follow these simple 3 steps to be able to borrow money from this app. So all you just need to do is just download the app from Apple App Store, then quick register with your phone number, and an OTP will be sent to your mobile phone number. Then you input the OTP number to sign in your account. Then you can see the interface or the inside of the app: easy naira loan without collateral, repayment bill, bank account info, notification, agreement about us, share to friend are the features inside this particular app. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see more details about this app, how much you'll be able to borrow as a new user, and the loan tenure is between 91 days to 180 days, which is quite amazing. And of course, if you also scroll down, you could see if you borrow up to 12,000 naira with a 180 days loan tenure, you can see how much they are going to charge you, which is 1,339 naira for 6 months, and the total amount you'll be paying back is 13,319 naira. So that's quite amazing. And of course, I think that is not too much as an interest for a 12,000 naira loan for 180 days. So you'll be paying the money every month. So you can see how much you'll be paying per month: 2,233 naira per month till you finish paying all the money you borrow from the app. Crimson also have a loan availability to people around Nigeria, if you do individual age from 18 to 55, those with a steady job and income, individual with a valid bank card. So these are the people Crimson actually giving money to. So getting a loan from Crimson is a breeze. Log into your mobile app, then submit your application process. So then you have to wait for them to approve. So once they approve, they will do a quick loan disbursement direct to the bank account, which of course you provided when you are trying to apply for the loan. And if you also scroll down, you can see different reviews from people who have of course borrowed money from the app. You can see this one from Bio 47. This app is too real to be true, really came through for me when I need it most. So this is actually an amazing review. And what's new on this app is the fixing the bugs inside the app, so people can actually find it so easy to borrow money from this particular app right there. So just have to check out this app today on Apple App Store, and trust me, you'll be able to borrow money. The next loan app in this video is Cash. This is another personal online loan app in Nigeria for iPhone user or Apple user who are very much interested in getting a loan as fast as possible. So you can see right there, the overall rating for this app is 3.3 and total rating is 649, which is also quite amazing. But I feel like these apps are not mostly used for people who are using iPhone, but then this app is also available on Google Play Store for Android users as well. So I feel like most people that are actually using this app are more like Android user. That's why the rating is very low. But then trust me, you can also get a loan from this app. You can get a short-term money using cash for up to 100,000 naira, 80,000 naira, and 20,000 naira. They also have a reliable loan, and then there is no hidden fees charged on this particular app right there. So once you apply for a loan, you have access to borrow up to 100,000 naira with high loan approval rate. So you don't have to wait for a long period of time before you can actually get the loan you applied for. So you can also see they have 24/7 available instant loan to people who are very much interested in getting a loan from this app. Easy, fast and reliable financial services for every individual and business owner who are very much interested in getting a loan. And you can see loan amount is between 10,000 naira to 100,000 naira. Then the repayment for 91 days to 365 days, and annual percentage rate is from 12% to 34% per year. And they also give an example on how much their interest rate will be if you borrow 5,000 naira for 180 days, which is 6 months. So you'll be paying 600 naira for 6 months, and that will be 5,600 naira for the total money that you'll be paying back to cash. All you just need to do, download the app, fill in your details with your phone number, and also fill in other basic information they requested from you. Then submit the details, and they're gonna get back to you. Once your loan application is approved, then you'll be able to get money straight down to your bank account. So the eligibility is that you must be from Nigerian and your age should be 18 to 60 years old. That is when you have access to borrow money from the cash app. Then they also have a very latest review, but then I think this one is actually late and they are not really updating their loan review from people who are, of course, dropping what they actually feel about the app. But then I think this app is also great. You can check it out on Apple App Store and let me know if you're able to borrow money from this app. So these are the apps that you can actually use to borrow money on your iPhone in Nigeria, and there's no limit to anyone who can actually have access to borrow money from these apps. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.